I bet you've already wondered how to make a powerful first impression. How to walk into a room and be noticed instantly. Not because you're loud, not because you're showing off, but because your presence speaks before you do. People look at you and think, who is this man? What makes him different? That level of presence, of charisma, is not for everyone. It's the kind of energy that moves without words. But many never reach that level. Why? Because of a few subtle social mistakes that destroy their presence and make them less attractive, less magnetic. So today, let's break down the 6 biggest mistakes that kill your charisma and how to fix each one. The first mistake is hiding inside your comfort group. When men walk into a party, a bar, a social event, they go straight to their friends, grab a drink, and stay there all night talking about the same things. No movement, no new energy, just comfort. The problem is, comfort kills presence. To truly stand out, you must move, walk through the room, observe, feel the vibe, understand who's there, what kind of energy fills the space. When you move, you see. When you see, you adapt. And the ability to adapt, that's power. The more adaptable you are, the more influence you have over people, relationships, success, everything. The second mistake is lack of proactivity. No one owes you attention. No one is going to walk up to you and say, wow, you look interesting. Can I talk to you? That's not how life works. You have to make the first move, not just with women, but in life. Be the one who introduces himself. Be the one who leads. Because being passive is the fastest way to become invisible. The third mistake is not taking up space. And I don't mean shouting or being arrogant. I mean owning your presence, speaking clearly, making eye contact, standing tall. If people often ask you to repeat yourself, you're probably talking too softly, because deep down, you don't want to be noticed. But power requires visibility, and visibility requires courage. Some people only care about their own stories, their own achievements, their own ideas. They think they're the main character in every room. But the truth is, the most interesting people are those who are interested in others. Listen more than you talk. When you listen, you understand. And when you understand, you can connect, influence, and inspire. The fifth mistake is lack of common sense. Common sense is simply respect, knowing that you're not the center of the universe. It's the awareness that your comfort should never come at the cost of someone else's. Whether in a gym, a meeting, or a social circle, remember your presence should add harmony, not chaos. And the final mistake, lack of self-care. Your appearance, hygiene, haircut, your style, these are not vanity. They are your first communication with the world. Because of something called the halo effect. When people see you looking well-groomed and confident, they automatically associate you with intelligence, kindness, and strength. Your image speaks before you say a word, and that image must tell the world that you respect yourself. So, my friend, to unlock true charisma, start with self-knowledge. When you understand your strengths and weaknesses, you can shape yourself into your best version. Every step toward awareness brings you closer to becoming a man of presence. Someone who doesn't need to speak loudly to be heard deeply. If you want more insights like this, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and stay close. Because every week we explore what most men never dare to question, the hidden psychology behind attraction, dominance, and true self-control.